The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 672, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Perry, Hocking, Morgan, Washington, Athens, Vinton, Galil and Meigs, and the following counties in West Virginia: Wayne, Cabell, Messon, Jackson, Putnam and Lincoln, and the following counties in Kentucky: Lewis and Greenup. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development for severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather situations, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 672 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Perry, Hocking, Morgan, Washington, Athens, Vinton, Galil and Meigs, and the following counties in West Virginia: Wayne, Cabell, Messon, Jackson, Putnam and Lincoln, and the following counties in Kentucky: Lewis and Greenup. Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in central Ohio, Franklin County in central Ohio, Licking County in central Ohio, Knox County in southeast Ohio, Madison County in central Ohio, Pickaway County in southeast Ohio, Union County in central Ohio, until 8:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 50 miles per hour. The storm was located near Richmond, Indiana, 90 miles west of Columbus, and moving east at 43 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest room of your home or business. Heavy rain floods roads quickly. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If you are in the path of the storm, prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Fairfield County in central Ohio, Franklin County in central Ohio, Licking County in central Ohio, Knox County in southeast Ohio, Madison County in central Ohio, Pickaway County in southeast Ohio, Union County in central Ohio, until 8:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio Station KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, operating on a frequency of 162.55 MHz and serving Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office. This is a special weather statement issued at 10:31 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Fairfield County in Central Ohio, Franklin County in Central Ohio, Union County in Central Ohio, until 12:46 p.m. and 10:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The tornado was located 4 miles west of Columbus and moving east at 230 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado engulf ball-sized hail. Source: storm chasers are reporting a tornado on the ground. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, siding, windows, trees and vehicles will occur. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Columbus, Canal Winchester, Dublin, Upper Arlington, and Grovesport. A large and extremely dangerous tornado was reported on the ground. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, the tornado warning has been issued until 12:46 Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: Fairfield County in Central Ohio, Franklin County in Central Ohio, Union County in Central Ohio.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Zira Smith, and before we get to the major news, as you can tell, some of our equipment is not working correctly, cameras are broken for unknown reasons. This has happened before, in fact this is quite common for us. Anyways, as I'm sure you've all heard, a tornado warning has been issued for Central Ohio. However, recent reports state that this tornado is approximately 3.5 miles wide, larger than the largest tornado in history, the El Reno tornado that happened in 2013. All of us at the Ag News Station and the National Weather Service want you to seek shelter now. If you do not, there is an extremely high chance that you will die. Oh, looks like we have to evacuate the building and get to a shelter. We will be right back, folks.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape, the super strong waterproof tape that can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair. Flex Tape is no ordinary tape. Its triple thick adhesive virtually welds itself to the surface, instantly stopping the toughest leaks. Leaky pipes can cause major damage, but Flex Tape grips on tight and bonds instantly. Plus, Flex Tape's powerful adhesive is so strong, it even works underwater.
This is an urgent message from the Columbus Police Department. The tornado that is currently destroying many towns in Central Ohio has damaged a nuclear power plant, and it is expected that the plant will suffer a collapse and explode. Seek shelter if you have not already. Nuclear radiation will kill within minutes. If you are outside in the event that the plant explodes, you will suffer from radiation, and possible die.